My favorite Cerama Bright cooktop cleaner. This is a small pack, 284 grams. It is ideal for glass, ceramic, induction, radiant, convection, halogen, and flat top ranges. Easy to use. I usually just apply a quarter size drop of cleaner to a cool surface. I do love that it comes in a pack with everything you need. You can see how nicely it is packed. I think it is must-have for the kitchen. It is heavy duty and non-abrasive formula. It safely removes all the grease, dirt, different grime. Everything you need for cleaning the stove is here. I'm gonna show you what's in the package. It comes with pad the package includes razor and scraper, like everything you need.